Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Dentistry to the Point. This is Dr. Drumil Manik. So in this video we are going to discuss about the third part or the third division of ophthalmic nerve, that is nasociliary nerve. We have discussed about the two divisions, that is lacrimal and frontal. Now discussing about nasociliary nerve, then we already know that nasociliary nerve is going to pass from the medial end of superior orbital fissure. From the lateral end, two nerves were passing, that is lacrimal and frontal nerve. So the nasociliary nerve will pass from the medial end, we already know that. Now see, these are the three divisions of trigeminal nerve, that is mandibular, maxillary and ophthalmic. The first division was lacrimal, directly going to the lacrimal gland. Second is frontal, dividing into two, supraorbital and supratrochlear. And third is nasociliary, which has 5 branches. So the 5 branches are: first to the ciliary ganglion, second is the long ciliary nerves, third is posterior ethmoidal, fourth is anterior ethmoidal, and the last branch is infratrochlear. So these are the 5 branches of nasociliary. Now, so firstly we'll start with the branch to ciliary ganglion. So this branch will form the sensory root of the ganglion. क्या बनाएगा? The branch which is given from, जो भी branch nasociliary nerve से ciliary ganglion जाएगी, वो क्या बनाएगी? Sensory root बन जाएगा ciliary ganglion का. We are going to study ciliary ganglion in the next videos. And the second branch is the long ciliary. Now, so before giving the second branch, the nasociliary nerve is going to travel and it is going to cross the optic nerve. See, this is green color is your optic nerve. So it is going to cross the optic nerve from lateral to medial side. This is your lateral side. See, lacrimal gland is present. So this is your lateral side. This whole is your medial side. That means you are watching the right orbit, right? Here one more eye can be present. So it will cross from lateral to medial side. After crossing, it is going to give 2 branches, that is long ciliary. Second branch, that is long ciliary. Now this long ciliary nerve is going to travel further and it is going to pierce the sclera. After piercing the sclera, it will supply the sensory nerves to cornea. Firstly, it will supply sensory nerve to cornea, iris and ciliary body. In तीनों को ये sensory nerve supply करेगी. That means nerve for sensations will be supplied. Along with that, sympathetic nerve to dilator pupillae are also supplied by long ciliary nerve. So that means there are 2 to 3 branches of long ciliary nerve which are going to penetrate the sclera and do these jobs like supplying sensory nerves to cornea, iris and ciliary body. Along with that, sympathetic nerve to dilator pupillae. So this is about long ciliary nerve. Third is posterior ethmoidal nerve, right? So this is the posterior ethmoidal nerve. Now see, this is the front view of the orbit. This is your superior orbital fissure. Nasociliary nerve will come and is going to exit the orbit. First, it will give branch into 2. That is anterior ethmoidal and posterior ethmoidal. That is clear. Now, first discussing about posterior ethmoidal. So this posterior ethmoidal is going to exit the orbit. It will be given branch and it is going to exit the orbit through posterior ethmoidal foramen. कहाँ से exit करेगी? Posterior ethmoidal foramen से ऊपर चली जाएगी and it is going to supply the, like this it will go, and it is going to supply ethmoidal and sphenoidal air sinuses. Right now these 3 are clear. Ciliary, which will give sensory supply to or sensory route for the ciliary ganglion. Long ciliary nerve which will give sensory nerves to cornea, iris, ciliary body and also sympathetic nerve to dilator pupillae. Posterior ethmoidal is going to supply 2 major sinuses, that is sphenoidal and ethmoidal air sinuses. Next is your anterior ethmoidal nerve. Now anterior ethmoidal nerve will also be given in this area only. It is also going to exit the orbit through anterior ethmoidal foramen. Posterior was exiting from posterior ethmoidal foramen. Anterior ethmoidal nerve will exit from anterior ethmoidal foramen. So this will exit from the anterior ethmoidal foramen. It will go up, that is in the anterior cranial fossa. Again the slit will be present in the crista galli. So through that slit it is going to come down in the nasal cavity, and lastly it is going to supply the skin of the lower half of nose, right? It supplies the skin of lower half of nose. So this is about anterior ethmoidal. Now the last branch is infratrochlear. Now infratrochlear is the last terminal branch, I should say. So this is going to supply the conjunctiva, lacrimal sac, caruncle, medial end of eyelids, and upper one and upper half of the nose, right? So this is your infratrochlear nerve. See, before the anterethmoidal nerve enters the anterethmoidal foramen, one more branch will be given, that will be your infratrochlear nerve, which will reach the root of the nose, and after reaching the root of the nose, it is going to supply various areas like, see, it will mainly be present in the medial end of the eye. This is your eye, right? So the medial angle जो भी बनेगा eye का, उधर it is going to be present, right? So it can supply the conjunctiva, lacrimal sac, caruncle, then medial end of the eyelids. Here eyelids will be present. So medial end of the eyelids, along with that upper one and upper half of the nose. The upper half of the nose also will be supplied by infratrochlear. Now see, we studied supratrochlear, which was supplying the root of the nose and skin of the forehead. So this is going to supply the upper half of the nose along with medial angle of eye. This much you remember, right? So these are the 5 branches of nasociliary nerve, which is a branch of ophthalmic nerve, which is a branch of trigeminal. Now I hope so this is clear. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, any of the nerves of trigeminal, so you can just let me know in the comment section. If you don't understand or if you want any other diagram for better understanding, then please let us know in the comment section. We would be more than happy to help you. If you enjoyed the video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our lectures. Thank you.